Time for this week's Clash of the Week in the Hostplus Cup. The Wynnum Manly Seagulls up against the Central Queensland Capras. What a start for the Seagulls at home. Stanford to leader, crossing in just the second minute.
Happy, mate.
Just a few minutes later, and the Seagulls are in again through Bryce Donovan.
2-3, keep going. Backwards. Happy to fracture.
Starting this game in the front row, Kalolo Saitawa scored his try for Wynnum Manly in the 12th minute. What about the start for the Seagulls? Another try, this one in the 21st minute through Corey Pakes.
Oh! Oh!
A much-needed four-pointer in the 27th minute for Bob Tenzer for the Capras.
Happy, mate, if you have his training. Yep.
Then just before half-time, Trey Brown crossed for Central Queensland as they narrowed the gap. At the break, Wynnum Manly were in front 20 points to 10. A perfect start to the second half for Wynnum Manly. Corey Pakes crossing for his second try of the game in the 44th minute.
That's good. Start down. Good. He's behind him, keep going.
Then the Capras mounted a comeback. Anthony Milford scored in the 47th minute.
Make a quick chase.
Still in. Yeah, boy, you mate.
Just 7 minutes later, the Capras were in again through Blake Moore.
Through. Other player, yep.
Good. Down his way up.
Hard 10, mate, hard 10.
You on the others? Keep going.
And would you believe, the Capras hit the lead by 2 in the 65th minute when Edric Lee crossed.
In, down.
Then the 69th minute, the Capras gave away a penalty and Bryce Donovan slotted the 2 points and we were all locked up.
Yep.
Good.
Go, Matty, go, Matty, go, Matty.
Up.
Hold! First one, boys! Start down. Got ball. Win the ball, lock on, win the ball. Oh, be quick here.
Find it. Good. Take it on.
Winning 4.
And that's the way it finished. What a game in the Hostplus Cup. Wynnum Manly and the Capras playing out a thrilling 28-all draw. For more of this week's action, check it all out at qplus.tv. Peter Basoldis, Queensland Rugby League.